How to get Beascuits in Coherent Kingdom. So Beascuits are available in four rarities, so common, rare and epic, and legendary Beascuits. They are primarily only obtained from the BCS stages, with a lot of variants. However, there are many ways on how I can get the Beascuits, and these are the ways. So first is obviously the BCS Chapter 3 and beyond. So if you go beyond there, you can get the different types of Beascuits. And the difficulty matters, so if you try the easy or the master mode, it depends on what rewards you get. So focus on the normal mode if you want to get and cannot beat the higher world, and then you can try the hard mode if you are ready for higher rarities and want epic or legendary biscuits. Then if you want, you can also get them from balloon expeditions. So you can send out expeditions on the balloon and get the rewards on the biscuits. There are also other sources like some events and the Beast Raid shop as well. They also have the Kingdom Arena, the Cake Tower and the tier shops, some events and chests from the Master Menace, and then completing the town square request. So you can also a lot of biscuits by doing these steps. And important notes is there are storage spaces for the biscuits, so make sure to don't upgrade rare biscuits and focus on the legendary ones. And that's how you can get the biscuits in Coherent Kingdom.